Hey everybody, it is Sarah and we are back with another video today. So this is a different video than just a plain makeup video or a plain fashion video, and I'm really excited to film this today. I don't know why, I'm just like, I feel like so hyper and stuff. So anyway, sorry about that. I just wanted to tell you guys the reason behind this video, and the reason is on February 19th, 2011, my family and I will be going on a plane and we will be going to Mexico. Oh my god, oh, Mexico! I'm so happy. I can't wait. Oh my god. Okay, so before you guys start hating and saying, well, you're so full of yourself, like, what a loser, why would you brag about that? One, I'm not bragging. I did not intend that at all. Number two, you might call me a bragger. Honey, I haven't been on vacation, a real vacation, in 6 years, so I'm a little bit excited. That's okay to get a little bit excited over a freaking trip. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, so anyway, the inspiration for this video is this dress that I'm wearing right here, and I'll insert some pictures too, but this is just the dress. It's really flowy, really pretty, and the reason we're going to Mexico is because we're going for a wedding, a family wedding. So this is the dress that I was going to wear, and I did a makeup look inspired by it. Number one, I wanted to do a look that was blue anyway, because I haven't done one yet. But I just thought this was a really nice summery look, and I mean, you can use it with anything. If you want to tone it down a bit, you can use it for like workplaces or wherever. I'm not sure if this is the exact look that I'm going to use for when I'm in Mexico, because I'm probably going to be more concerned about jumping in the pool than I am putting on my makeup, but whatever. I think this look would go with this outfit and with other outfits alike. It's just a subtle, not exactly subtle, like, I mean, it's got a little bit of edge to it, but it's just light and it fades out into a darker color in the crease, and then we have a tiny bit of eyeliner on just to thicken our lashes, and then I'm just using the Falsies mascara by Maybelline, and that's about it. And then for the lips, I have just like this really pretty color from Wet n Wild. It's like a hot pink. It's a really, really hot pink color. Looks like that, and just a little bit of gloss over it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you guys, if you're going on a vacation sometime this year, I really hope that you have a safe departure and a safe voyage of your trip or whatever, I don't know. I hope to hear from you soon, and I will talk to you all very soon. Don't forget to check out my Twitter, Formspring blog, and of course my channel down below. All the information will be there, my personal links and everything, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Follow me on Twitter to get the latest updates. Ask me questions about Formspring. You can find out everything you've always wanted to know. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye, guys.